here's the situation. Devin here, Airstream Buffalo. How the heck do you open up a zip-Dee awning, a manual zip-Dee awning by yourself? You're going on a weekend trip, nobody else can go with you, but you want to use the awning. How do we do it? Well, good news, I'm going to teach you my method today. It might not be the most efficient method, but it works. It works for me, and it could work for you. So pay attention. First thing we do, obviously, you're going to take your storage latch, twist that up, release it. You are going to have two locks here, which you guys are aware of, right? Take those down and drop that over to the side. You're going to have another one up here on the front section of the trailer. Unloosen that, get that off. All right, so the awning is now free to be operated. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the awning, start to pull it down. Now, something a little bit different. When you're with two people, one person can stand here and just keep the tension down as the other person takes those locking arms and does it themselves. Now, this could be a height advantage, it could not be, but there's ways to do it by yourself. What I like to do is I will keep tension on the strap here, just so the awning doesn't want to roll up on me. I'll grab the arm, get that down onto place right there. And then we're going to rock that into place, lock it in. We can now let go of the awning. It's not going to roll up on us. We're going to walk to the other side, do the same thing, of course. I like to do it from underneath the awning. It just tends to be a little bit easier and smoother operation. That one locks nice and easy. Now, there's 4 notches on the bar that extends. I always go 1 notch at a time. That way we're not going to torque the awning any more than it should. So 1 notch there, all the way to the other side. And again, is it easier with 2 people? Yes. Can you do it with 1? Yeah. So I do 1 notch at a time, and then I'll add to the next one. All right, cool. On to the next. So there's 1 click right there. I still have 1 more to go. There's my click, fully extended awning on the 1. Now, fully extended awning, all by yourself. Last thing to do is roll up your strap here. I like to make it a little bit easier. I'll go about halfway up, double up on there, another fold there, and then roll it up to the top. Once it's right under the secured part, I'll roll it 1 more time. Just kind of feed it up and in, out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. That is how I personally do it. If you have an easier method, by all means, keep using that. But it is possible to use the awning by yourself. Now you know. So we just finished up our weekend by ourselves. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to bring that awning in after the weekend. Obviously, we had stored the strap here first. I like to just let it come down and dangle. You're going to need that, obviously. But you come over here. You do have a knob that you pull out. I like to let it ride down. I do 1 click at a time. Same thing when we're putting it up, 1 click at a time. And you're doing the walking back, forth. So that's 1 click, but now that I'm doubled up, I'll go down 1 more. Clicks into place, coming back. Now remember, there is a total of 4 depressions. So there's 1, and then I add 1 more on top of that. Walk back to the other side. Now, actually, this time around, I'm going to be on that last one, so I grab this, get ready for it. Comes down, and then we are pulling that guy, releasing the pressure off that top arm, sliding it back into place, and that whole time with my right arm, you don't need to now, but it's always good practice just to maintain contact with the awning. So then as we come to the next side, this will be in my left hand. Same thing on here. I'm holding onto the fabric, holding onto the strap, releasing tension. Now, this guy wants to roll, okay? So just keep that in mind. We're storing that right on its little storage notch there. I'm grabbing down on this, keeping tension, having the awning, you know, fully extended, and then slowly rocking it up. I do leave my awning tool right there on the door itself. Get this into place, hook that on, and let it ride up. Super, super simple. Yes, is it easier with 2 people? Absolutely. Can you do it with 1 and go camping and still bring your awning out? 100%. Thanks for the video. If you need any other pointers or tips, just let me know. Thanks.